Look at this one, it's from 1867. Hello beautiful people, Dimitri here. Let me ask you this. Have you ever asked yourself why I'm riding a motorcycle? Is it because it brings me from point A to point B, or is it because it gives me a feeling of freedom, or just because I admire those type of machineries? Actually today I'm gonna put an extra layer on my answer, and I'm gonna go to motorcycle museum in Newburgh, New York. It's not far away from here. It's gonna take me about 2 hours, but I'm sure that it's worth it. All right, let's do it. It's a nice sunny day today. Beautiful outside. It's a little chilly. It was 50 degrees. And I hope that it's not gonna be that cold during the ride. I got my gear. I got extra gear because I don't know how cold will feel. Actually, I feel a little really chilly. I gotta stop somewhere and just add some more layers on me. Gotta be careful here. There is a camera checking people's speed. That's a good thing actually, because what's gonna stop you to speed? Only cops and cameras, right? And as we know, that's a dangerous thing. You see this school bus stays here for so long. They don't use it, obviously. I don't know about all these school things and all these restrictions. This COVID story, it's like screw up the whole world. My personal opinions about these COVID things is way different than the marketing that they present on the news, but that's my opinion. But I see now that all the cases, they really spike up again everywhere in the world, and they start locking again some counties here and there, and they put again this 14 days quarantine if you come from a different place, not just a different place, but from a place with a lot of COVID problems. I don't know, probably it's a good thing, but as I said, my personal opinion, it doesn't share the idea of the mass opinion. Now as you hear, I'm gonna be on the upper level on the bridge. Welcome to Manhattan. Traffic, a lot of traffic, but that's normal. Right now it's almost 11 o'clock, lunchtime. Yeah, I'm gonna do exactly like this guy, but I'm on a motorcycle and it's easy first for me and also for the other drivers. Okay, Palisade Parkway. This is where I'm going. Alright. Any minute I should be on the parking lot, or I don't know how it's gonna look like, but any minute I should be there. I'm so curious to see all these motorcycles. I expected to see a lot of riders in this area, but I don't see anybody, which is a little strange. Gonna make a right turn, stop signal. Here we go. Okay, here it is. Haha. Two big bikes right here. Looks interesting. I don't know what is inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but here behind the windows I see two like a hot rod custom bikes. Okay, let me go in and take a look. This is actually the entrance. See all these scary things. This museum was opened by a father and a son, and the interesting story here is that they loved so much motorcycles that they decided to start buying old motorcycles and just renovate them. But not only that, they opened a small company that supplies parts for only old motorcycles. And this is really amazing thing, because if you decided to be a collector, this is how you're gonna fix your bike. Just call them and see their museum also. Look at that beast. This vehicle behind me, it's called in German, I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce the right way, but something like a Kettenkraft car. And this is real vehicle from the Second World War. And actually they say that, here it is, they start using them the moment when they attacked Russia. This is unbelievable. They say that they can use them without the front tire if the terrain is so bad.
Your best bet is making the right idea, like Mom said. Just going straight to 1987. It's a scenic route, but you're on the way.
Of course, Harley Davidson was part of the Second World War. And you see those models right here. I don't know if these models are real. I mean, from Second World War, but I doubt that. You see, Harley Davidson, yeah, 1942. Let me show you the Harley Davidson model that I didn't expect to see. That's really strange to me. I didn't know that they made something like this. See what it says? Harley Davidson, right there. You wanna go for a snow? No problem. Amazing. I have no idea what is this, but I see a motorcycle on top. It's like a, what? It's like a car inside. I don't know. And what is this? A hot rod? Look at that. I don't know, it's like a 20 feet long. This place is amazing. This is not gonna be my only time. I'll be back here. That's a fact. All this is so amazing. Look at the old motorcycles. Look at this one. It's from 1867. Right here. It is really amazing. What is the next one? 1885. Daimler. Everything is wood. Look at the next one. I don't know. I'm speechless. 1884. Coupling. Steam velocipede. Single cylinder steam engine. I wish I had one of these. I really wish. Just open the door to the past. It's amazing. It's really amazing. I'm sure that so many people are curious how the motorcycle is working and all these mechanical stuff. And here it is. Let me show you, reveal how the things are working. Here we go. You just have to come here and take a look. See all the pistons and everything and spark plug. Nice. This is actually the Indian part of the museum. It's so amazing. Look at this. Look at all these bikes. It's unbelievable. Wow, I can swing the whole day here. Look at that V-twin, 1915. What I can say about this motorcycle museum, it's that first, it's amazing. Second, I just opened the door to the past, and that's a fact. I'm gonna come at least one more time, but guys, my advice is come here, take a look at this, enjoy your time, and of course ride safely. And By the way, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up. See you next time. This is a different type of museum. I hope that my bike will not go to that museum. You see what it says? Honda. There is another cube right there.